everybody, today is gaming time, and I lost all of my characters. I like playing from the beginning. I'm so sad and mad. Okay, today that's the video. We'll unlock some characters, and that is from Super Slime Bits. It's like, you'll see it. You'll understand me after why did they call it Super Slime Bits. See, I lost all of my characters, and he's gobbled on. I only have Gomble. I don't know why though. Like I had all of those, and I stopped here last time till Ocho, and then it dropped all. I don't know how. So that's the point of the video today. We're going to win a lot of money, and we're going to play a lot, so we can win a lot. Okay. We'll play like 30 turns or something. We'll play an hour or something. I don't know. Till now. But this will be my longest video ever. And I have to stop talking now because I lost. I'm gonna win a gift so they can give me some extra money. Extra money, yeah. Okay, and get somebody. Going to get Anais. Okay. Sure. Yep, that's free, I know. And that's good. Yep, here. And let's play with her a little bit. She can win us more money. Money. Okay. Let's see. Whoa, why? Where am I going this way and this way and this way? Like, I'm so confused. I don't know if I could hack even this game so I can get all of my games, get all of my levels back. No! Why? Nope. Okay. Can we get one for a video? I think I'll get a video because I'm so sad. Super mad. So sad. I will cry. Okay. Boo! That was staying long. So, like, wait, whoa, where did I go? I will not get it. Yep, that better. Yeah, and let's play again. Don't got any money, because you saw what happened. Okay, but I will get money soon. I promise soon. I got money now. I got money. We don't want it. No, please. Please, I was going to be dead. Meat. Like, real dead. Oh. No. Let's rock our backs. No. Better money. No, yeah, put that money. Boom. No way! Yep, I didn't. Okay. I'm bored. Okay. That's a new record. Yeah, blah. I don't know how did I reset the game. And I promise that will be the longest video that I did till now. Okay. I love this music. Makes me so sarcastic. Whoa! No! Did I do? Nope, I don't want. I don't want. Okay. I'll wait for the 1 minute. And it's loading. I'm sorry guys, I have to wait. Hey. Yay. What? No, I'm not. I will not. Okay. When we end this, when we loosen this, maybe it will stop. It will finish, and I will get another gift. Right. Okay, here. So now it's 5 minutes. I want a key. Yeah, I want a key. No! Okay, I think we have a gift now. I think we'll wait for 5, 3, 2, 1. Boom! A gift. Give me the gift. Want it. I earned it after I did all of this. 100! Yay! 100. 100. Good. Okay, let's buy one. Let's buy one character. Okay, Darwin. Okay. We want Mom, we want Richard, we want Nicole's mom. Yep. We want Nicole. Before this game closed, we want Nicole. We want Richard. We want Rocky. We want Anthony. I don't know. We want Banana Joe. We want Carmen. We want Carrie. We want Potato. I don't know its name. I can't spell it. If you can spell it, tell us in the comments below. And we want Lise. I don't know, sir. Tell us in the comments below. Principal Brown. We want it. Tobias. We want him. William. We want him. Penny. We want him. Masami. We want him. Ocho. We want him. And all of those, we lost them again. I don't know how. No. But we will get them back today. The perfect day to get them back. Like, that will be the longest video ever. It turned out it's 8 minutes. Okay. Look at his face. He's angry. Super angry. Whoa. He's super angry. He's like... Oh, till now. And though, maybe we can do a new song. I know every time I say that, but I can do a new song after a while. Every time I say that, I know. But I can do 27 minutes. Wow, that's a new record. We have to wait 27 minutes. Okay. That'll be hard. Maybe I can spend the whole day doing this video. I don't know. No. Yes. Why? I lost. Why? Hey, till now it's 9 minutes. Wow, still 9 minutes. We have still 26 minutes. Wow, that's a lot. I don't want to waste that 100. So that's why I'm waiting. Because if I found someone cool and I wanted to buy him a lot, I wanted to get him too, so... No, nobody will... maybe I do a song, like, yep, so I don't hurt. Okay. No, no, no. Yes. No, no. Oh yeah, that's better. That's just got it. And subscribe to Mo. He's has a lot of videos too, and he has 20 subscribers. Good for him. Okay, but oh no, no, no! Please, no, no! I was going to the door. That's a new bad record. Okay. You want to play like this, huh? Oh, I will play like this. Okay, let's play like this. I'm super angry now. Like play as fast as I can. Nope, I'll not let it hit me again. Okay. At least I won some coins. Let's try again. But I will watch myself now because I'm scared. Nope. Okay. Quickly! Okay. Maybe. No! No! I lost. Till now we only unlocked 1, 2, 3. Or 2. Yeah, we unlocked 2. And I eat and now let's play.
Ready? Go!
Hey, I love the volcano. Give me a lot of money. Give me a lot of boxes so I win a lot of money. Like every time I get money, every time that would be the best. But I'm so bad at the volcano one or the lava one or anything. Okay, let's play. I tell you what, I will lose now, so, or what? I can lose now, so I can get the call, no, yep, I'll lose, better, because I will use the 100 because I'm close to another 100, so it's okay. I will lose the 100 that I was for and I get another 100. Okay, and I get Nicole. Wow. Okay. And this is part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time, and peace. And also don't forget, subscribe for more on. Okay? And see you guys later. And subscribe for Subdue. I'll leave them in the description, I promise. Okay? See you guys next time. Peace.